Good morning, grade 2. Now let's have our civics lesson. For this one, our topic is mga paglilingkod, yung mga services ng komunidad. Mga paglilingkod at serbisyo ng komunidad. Una ay ang serbisyong pang-pamilya. Okay? For the family. So, ang mga parents, ang mga magulang or parents, ang nagbibigay ng pangunahing pangangailangan ng pamilya tulad ng pagkain at kasuotan at pati na rin ang tirahan. So your parents are the one providing your pangunahing pangangailangan like food, clothes, and shelter. So they are also in charge in taking good care of you. And then sa tahanan, unang natutunan ng bata, yung mga mabubuting asal. So yun po ang ating serbisyong pang-pamilya. Next is the services na pang-spiritual. Okay? Para sa ating spirituality. So ang mga pari, pastor, ministro at imam ang tumutulong sa mga nananampalataya sa kanilang pangangailangang spiritual. Okay? For the one in charge for our spiritual growth are the pastor, the priest, and ministers, and also yung imam. Okay po? Next is serbisyong pambarangay for the barangay. So, ang barangay, they are giving services like they clean up the canals. Okay po, nililinis yung mga kanal. Ganon din nagkakaroon ng mga lamp post para maging maliwanag ang barangay. So dito pinamumunuan ito ng mga kapitan, barangay tanod, at mga kagawad. At meron din namang tumutulong sa atin ng mga ibang tao para magkaroon ng magandang serbisyo ang ating barangay. Next is serbisyong pang-edukasyon. This one is for the education. So, sinisiguro ng mga namamahala at naglilingkod sa paaralan na mabigyan ng magandang edukasyon ang mga kabataan. So, the one who are leading the school are making sure, they make sure na nakaka-provide ng magandang education sa ating mga students. And kasama niyan ay ang DepEd or Department of Education. In short, DepEd. This one is a government agency where they are helping by giving free tuition sa ating mga or free study sa ating mga students. Okay, next. Serbisyong pangkalusugan. Okay po, for our health. So, ang sentrong pangkalusugan ay nagbibigay ng services. They're giving services to the people like free consultation, free vaccination, and nagbibigay rin sila ng information. They are giving information for us to makaiwas doon sa mga sickness o sa mga sakit or diseases. Okay po? Nagbibigay sila ng mga anong dapat nating gawin at hindi dapat gawin. Okay po? And ang katulong ng ating government agency sa pangkalusugan is the Department of Health or DOH. Again, Department of Health or DOH. Sila yung katulong ng mga health workers ng mga hospital na mabigyan ng maayos na services yung mga people. Okay, next. Serbisyong pang-seguridad for our security. So, iba't ibang agency, there are different agency who are in charge sa pagbibigay ng safety natin or security. So, una na dito ay ang PNP or Philippine National Police. So, they are the one catching the bad guys and the one who are making gulo okay? Those who are fighting in our community. And they are also the one catching the one that are making some crimes, okay po, the PNP. While the BFP or the Bureau of Fire Prevention, they are always ready to help if there's a fire, kapag merong fire. Okay po, next is the MMDA. So how did it help us in our security? So the Metro Manila Development Authority or MMDA is the agency of our government agency. They are giving services para sa ating safe na magkaroon ng safe sa travel natin at the same time sa mga kalsada, okay, sa streets. So they are the one in charge sa safety sa mga kalsada. Okay po, the MMDA. Next is the DILG or Department of Interior and Local Government. So the Department of Interior and Local Government, they are helping yung mga PNP, si mga police, at katulong din nila yung pamahalaan para sa kaayusan ng komunidad. So they are working together with the PNP and the people, the one in charge in the community para mabigyan ng safety ang bawat isa. Okay, next, another one is the DSWD. So what is the work of DSWD or Department of Social Welfare Development? So this one, they make sure na safe yung mga people, especially the kids, the women, and the old people laban sa pang-aabuso or abuse, kapabayaan, yung pinababayaan yung mga kids, and iba pang masamang gawain. So dito, kapag may example dito is kapag may yung mag-asawa, yung lalaki, binubugbog yung babae, inaaway, talagang sinusuntok, pasapasa na. So sila yung in charge para malapitan at matulungan ang ang girl. Also naman dun sa mga bata, kunyari yung mga bata, di ba hindi pa yan pwedeng mag-work. So kapag nakita yan nila na pwedeng isumbong sa kanila na ay itong batang to pinapag-work, eh hindi naman dapat siya pa nag-work kasi siya ay bata pa, underage pa. Okay po, so ito ang work ng ating sila ang in charge, mga taga DSWD. Okay, now, so that one is for our security, services ng security. Another one is the Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas or Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP, yung mga soldier, mga sundalo. So this government agency, they are giving services laban sa ating mga panganib, okay? Terrorism at iba pang karahasan. So, they consist of soldier from the Philippine Army, Philippine Navy, and Philippine Air Force. Kapag Philippine Army, it means they are in the land. They are sa land to ng mga soldier. Philippine Navy sa dagat, okay? Sa pangkaragatan, and Philippine Air Force sa pangkalawakan, okay? Sa air. So, ito yun, they are making sure na tayo ay always, what's this? Always safe and secure laban sa mga panganib at terrorism. Okay, next, punta naman tayo sa serbisyong pangkalinisan at pangangalaga sa kalikasan. So, for our environment. So the first one is DENR or Department of Environment and Natural Resources. So this government agency, they are giving services para mapangalagaan, to take good care of our yamang lupa and yamang tubig, our natural resources, yung mga yamang lupa at yamang tubig. So DENR ang ahensya na kukuhan dyan, nangangalaga. Next is pangkabuhayan for the work. Okay po, pagkakakitaan para magkaroon ng money. So the local government are giving free trainings sa mga people na nakatira sa community who are able and may sapat na gulang, yung age nila, qualified yung age nila, upang magkaroon sila ng pagkakakitaan or hanap buhay. Okay po? So, ito, serbisyong pangkabuhayan, lahat, marami dyan, pwedeng mga free trainings dito rin sa atin. Sa iba't ibang lugar, meron laging mga free trainings para kung hindi ka, kunyari, hindi ka nakatapos, pwede nyo itong i-attend. So, pag naka-attend ka dito, pwede ka nang mag-apply ng trabaho. Or, you can have your own, own business. So, for example, you attended the free lesson for baking. Okay po? So, after mo nang mag-lesson na yun, pwede ka nang kumita gamit yung natutunan mo. Dahil marunong ka na mag-bake, so pwede ka na magpa-order ng mga cakes, cupcakes. Okay po? So, ito yung services ng pangkabuhayan. Okay, next. Meron din naman tayong mga taong nagbibigay or naglilingkod sa komunidad. So, they are giving services. So, the first one are the people who are giving us food. So, the first one is magsasaka for our rice, for our vegetables, and for our fruits. Okay, next is mangingisda. So, what are they giving? They're giving us fish for us to eat and others. Panadero, yung mga breads, tindero and tindera. So, they are the one in charge in selling the food or vegetables and fishes. Okay, next is the one giving services for our clothes and other materials or other things. Sapatero, this one is sapatero, there's no A. Sapatero, yung the one making shoes, this one, sapatero. Okay, and next is sastre. Okay, the sastre, the one making our clothes. And budista, and manggagawa sa pabrika. Okay, so the one working in a factory. So they are working like, if yung mga gamit natin, yung mga, what's this? Laptop, the company in the laptop company, sa mga nasa ref company, sila yung gumagawa nun. So, andyan sila. Sila ay nagbibigay ng mga services para sa ating iba pang gamit. Yung mga manggagawa or factory worker na gumagawa ng electric fan. So, marami pang iba. Okay, next. So, this one, others, they're giving services to us. First is the engineer. Okay po, yung engineer. Ano ba ang work ng engineer? Of course, the engineer are the one checking if the things that we're gonna use is correct. Like the cement, the yero, yung sa roof, and mga wood natin sa bahay. Next is the carpenter. Okay? Siya ay gumagawa ng appliances, tables, chairs, bed frames. Okay? It's a carpenter. Next is cantero. The cantero is the one making fixing our broken, what's this? Daan. What's daan? Highway, yes. So mga kantero, sila yung nagpipix ng mga highway. Next is electrician. They are in charge dun sa mga nagkakabit ng mga kasangkapan natin with electricity. And at the same time, sila din yung mga lineman. Siya nagkakabit at nag-aayos ng cable or kawad sa kuryente at telepono. So meron din tayong driver. You know what the driver is giving it to us. nagde-drive for us, barbers, cutting our hair, beautician, okay, make us beautiful girls, and then the maquinarista, yung nag-clean ng ating nails. Okay po, 2 nails and ito sa hand natin. Next po is the one helping in our health, kalusugan natin, safety, and cleanliness. So we have here the doctor, okay, checking up on us, the dentist for our teeth, the garbage collector para hindi laging mabaho sa ating lugar. Andyan yung mga garbage collector, they're collecting our garbage. The janitor, cleaning the area ng inyong, or cleaning the school, cleaning all the janitors, cleaning the malls, okay po, and the gardener, okay, make sure na okay yung mga flowers natin, na mamawer ang ating mga what's this, mga grass, and the caminero or street sweeper, okay, caminero are the street sweepers. So they are the one helping in our health, safety, para hindi tayo magkasakit, and cleanliness. Okay po? So, that's all. And get your book. Open it on page 288. 288. So, you're gonna choose your answer from A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay po? Letter A, barangay. Letter B, for our health. Remember this one, A, barangay. B, health. C, family. D, for education. C, for safety. And F, for our spiritual. Okay, just write the letter of the correct answer. So number 1, the house or home are the one giving our food, clothes, and shelter. Okay? So ano yun? A, barangay. B, health. C, family. D, education. E, safety. Or F, spiritual. Next, number 2. Ang mga mag-aaral, the students, can study for free in our public school. The students can study for free in our public school. What's that? A, pambarangay. B, for our health. C, for the family. D, for education. E, for our safety. And F, for our spiritual. Next, number 3. Ang simbahan, the church, are the one giving seminar for those who want to get married. So, A, for barangay. B, for kalusugan or health. C, family. D, education. E, safety. And F, spiritual. Next, number 4. Ang health center, the health center, are giving free consultation and vaccination for the kids, to the kids. Okay, so it is in A, barangay. B, for the health. C, for the family. D, education. E, safety. Or F, spiritual. Number 5, ang barangay or the barangay are making sure they fix the lubak-lubak. Yung ano ba ang lubak-lubak? Yung may mga hole na pathway. So they are fixing it. So it will flatten again. So that work is for A, barangay. B, say health. C, family. D, education. E, safety. Or F, spiritual. And the last one, number 6, the police are patrolling the crowded places, especially if there's a occasion, okay, in the community. So ano yan? A, barangay. B, health. C, family. D, education. E, safety. Or F, spiritual. Now, let's go to letter C. Circle the letter of the correct answer. So, A, number 1, they are the one cleaning our community. So, who are they? A, the barber, the beautician, and manicurist. B, the bombero, the fireman, the electrician, or the carpenter. Or C, garbage collector, gardener, and street sweeper. They are the one cleaning our community. Okay, next page, 289, number 2. They are the one making our toys, bag, and other appliances and food. Okay? So, yung mga canned goods. A, sastre, and yung mga sastre. B, architect. Or C, factory worker. Number 3, they are helping, tumutulong to give us some food so that we can buy some food. A, fisherman, tubero, plumber, kantero, the one fixing the road. B, magsasaka, farmer, fisherman, and baker. Or letter C, vendor, modista, the one making clothes, or zapatero, the one making shoes. So, in which group are the one giving us food? Okay, number 4, nagtuturo sa mga bata. They are the one teaching kids how to write, to read, and to count. A, teacher. B, priest. Or C, engineer. Number 5, they are making houses, buildings, and other appliances sa ating house. A, electrician. B, carpintero or carpenter. Or C, sastre, the one making clothes. Okay po? So now, let's have our assignment to study for our quiz tomorrow and take a picture of pages 288 to 289 and send it in our class dojo. Thank you everyone and see you tomorrow. Bye!